All right, good morning, happy homeowners. Brian Adams here, OnlyWoodFloors, Newport Coast. Last day, getting ready to turn this around. Getting ready to buff it out, polish it out, and put on the last coat of finish. Man, this thing is beautiful. Nice ocean view in the back. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. So this isn't the invisible, but this is the Lova, which is just a super hard finish and gives it a beautiful, clear look. Just as clear as you can get. Man, look at that. See that? That's fancy. Trash bags. Because when we put the coat of finish on yesterday, the sun was beaming in and makes the finish dry too quick. But walk you around, look down the hallway. Now we're only going to be here for a couple of hours, so the next video will be me. We're going to be starting another project. Man, this looks good. Look at that. You know, if you need anybody, call us up. Any questions, no matter where you're at in the world, we'll answer them. If you want a copy of our book, 9 Secrets to Refinishing Hardwood Floors, reach out to us. But a couple of hours, I'll be doing another live video, starting the project. Down PCH, the middle of Laguna, on the water. So, you guys stay tuned. I gotta get busy and enjoy.